What's going on, guys? Back here with the XJ. We're gonna do some floor pans in it. So we already got the seat out. So that's it. That's the floor pan there. And we're gonna try to get that in there and see how this goes. You know, ain't working with much, just some basic stuff. So give me a couple minutes. I'm gonna get the Tahoe moved, get it pulled in here, and we'll get to cutting the floor out and see how that goes. All right, be right back. Guys, so this is what we're working with here. You can see here, you know, big old holes here. Damn, hole right there, hole right there. You know, a little bit more down in there, and that's more surface. That I might cut out, or maybe wait till I do the back a little bit, but it's not bad back there. We already went ahead and cut out the seat bracket, brace, whatever you want to call this thing. You know, broken bolt in there. You know, lovely. We'll remake that, I guess. And then, you know, really, I've been looking for an extra, and just can't find one of these damn shit boxes for cheap enough anymore. Everybody wants $2,000 for a decent rust-free one. You know, I don't know. I guess the price is going up. So, I bought some floor pans, and we're gonna cut that stuff out. Do a little bit over there. You know, I already started cleaning up all the seam sealer. You know, that stuff wasn't too bad. So, I'm gonna fix some holes we got over yonder, and might cut that out somewhere along in there and put a new plate back down it. But otherwise, and then the driver's side, that's a whole different side. It's a whole different story. That's somebody done hacked all together over there. So that's for a different day. But right now we're gonna get this all kind of cleaned up and get it cut out and see what happens. This is the floor pan right here. Fits pretty good. Just one-handed. Shit, sorry. It's alright. Of course, he'll lay down in there like this or something. Go up yonder. Come on. Something, something along them lines. Oh, not that far. Something along in there. You know, so we're gonna get her all marked up again, and oh Lord, I don't know. We're gonna hack together some floor pans, and maybe y'all can join along and you know, talk some crap down in the comments about the way we're gonna do this. But I don't care. It is what it is. It's got to get done. You know. But, all right, guys. I'm gonna get this all marked up, and I'll get back with y'all. Oh yeah. Let me see. What's up, guys? Alrighty, update. I got this section all nice and cut out. I got this guy. We almost got him out. Got it buzzed out right there. I just gotta follow my line here all the way back up to right there. I got no more spot welds here. I got one more up here somewhere that I can't really find. There's somewhere up in there. But I got all these spot welds. They all cut out. All those. I recommend if y'all are ever going to do some floor pans. Sorry about the sweat down here in Florida. Freaking humid as crap. But that guy right there. Old spot weld drill bit. That thing's a lifesaver. So ain't take too long, but figure I'd give y'all an update. And well, got a little bit more cutting and we're gonna get it out, and then we're gonna start getting a new one fitted up in there. So I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, back with the update. Got all the old floor out, got her all cut out. Got a little cleaning to do and get these little spot welds. I don't know if y'all can see them. Get all these guys ground down. Got the pan pretty much laid in there, ready to go. So I don't know, it's pretty late. It's like 2 in the morning right now. So get up moving tomorrow. I'll get this in because we gotta have this shit done by Monday. I gotta go to work. So all right guys, we'll get back with you once we're welding some shit back up in this little piece of crap. So y'all take it easy.